Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new personal account in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the Pinterest app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here you just go into the profile menu, then tap on add account under the login section, and then tap on create a new personal account. And here we just have to add the email address that we want to create the account with, and afterwards just pretty simple few steps that the app is going to show us, and yeah, that's basically pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.